Hey there, friends! Feeling a little overwhelmed by the clutter in your home, or even your mind? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're talking about decluttering made easy. Simple steps you can take to create a calm, organized space and feel more relaxed in the process. Let's jump in. Step 1. The 10-minute declutter challenge. Set a timer for just 10 minutes and pick one small area, like a drawer, your desk, or even just the top of a table. Sort items into 3 categories. Keep, things you use often or love. Donate, things someone else might need. Trash, goodbye junk. You'd be amazed what you can tackle in just 10 minutes. Try it, your future self will thank you. Step 2. The basket sweep hack. Grab a basket and do a quick walkthrough of your home, collecting anything that's out of place, like books, chargers, or that mug you forgot on the counter. Once it's full, take 5 minutes to return everything to its proper home. This keeps your space tidy without feeling overwhelming. Step 3. Declutter your mind. Clutter isn't just physical, it's mental too. Take 5 minutes to do a brain dump. Write down everything on your mind. Tasks, worries, ideas, no filter. Once it's out of your head and on paper, it's easier to focus and feel at peace. Step 4. The 1-year rule. Not sure if you should keep something? Ask yourself, have I used this in the past year? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Bonus points if you can donate it to someone who will actually use it. Step 5. Celebrate the small wins. Decluttering doesn't have to be all or nothing. Even clearing one shelf or one corner is a win. Once you're done, take a moment to enjoy your space. Light a candle, make a cup of tea, and bask in your decluttered glory. See, decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about small, practical steps that add up. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who could use a little decluttering magic. Until next time, keep it simple and stay happy. Bye!